ICP has just given me so many reasons to be bullish. So in today's video, we're going to look into some of the new updates from ICP. And at the end, as we always do, we're going to jump into the chart. And remember, I've got a goal of 10k subs. There's nearly 7,000 of you lovely people in the family. Again, if you're new and maybe you haven't subscribed already, come and join the family. Let's get into ICP. Whoa, guys. It's been up, down, left, right, hasn't it? It's been quite volatile over the past few days, over the past week, post-halving. It's been super volatile. And again, we weren't expecting any super moves to come straight away. We still have like another few months, in my opinion, before we do start to see the real altcoin season. We need Bitcoin dominance to start to fall. Now, Bitcoin is at 64k, ETH is at 3.1k. And ICP is still top 20. We're going to be fluctuating between NEAR, Polygon, ICP. And guys, I see loads of people online saying, oh, NEAR's better than ICP, Matic's better than ICP. Guys, just diversify, okay? It's absolutely fine to diversify. Be careful of all of the cult-like weirdos on Twitter telling you can only hold one coin. It's so stupid, okay? Hold ICP. If you like NEAR, hold NEAR too. Okay, don't let people fudge you out of your bags. Now, the Dfinity developers actually posted this announcement a couple of days ago. I thought I'd share it with you who maybe haven't seen it. Again, don't just follow Dfinity, follow the Dfinity developers as well if you want to start to learn a bit more of the ins and outs of what they're doing on the technical side. But look at this, announcing CKUSDC testnet, guys. The same way that we have chain key Bitcoin, which allows for cheaper, faster transactions, the same way we've got chain key Ethereum, which allows for cheaper, faster transactions, we've now got CKUSDC. Now, not only this, guys, they've actually released Chain Key X, which is a non-custodial neobank on ICP. It allows users to earn interest by depositing CKBTC or CKETH. Borrowers can use their liquidity provision tokens as collateral to borrow CKBTC or CKETH, sharing swap fees and repaying fixed interest. And this is a 1:50 clip, guys. Just listen to it, watch it. You guys let me know what you think in the comments.
EX, a crypto-only neobank built for Bitcoin natives. Fully decentralized borrowing and lending of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Built on ICP chain key technology for security, speed and low cost. Like a bank, we offer deposits and loans in Bitcoin. Users deposit Bitcoin into our vault and receive a proof of deposit token. Bitcoin interest is paid to holders who hold this deposited Bitcoin token. The longer you lock your Bitcoin in a fixed deposit vault, the higher the multiplier of deposited Bitcoin token you receive. Higher multiplier equals higher share of Bitcoin interest earned from borrowers. The Bitcoin in the vault is lent out to borrowers who lock their Bitcoin yield-generating assets like liquidity pool or stake tokens as collateral. Borrower pays a fixed interest plus a revenue share of the yield generated to deposited Bitcoin token holders. With a crypto-native neobank, this builds the foundation for a native Bitcoin monetary and money market system independent of the central banks and their fiat system. For every 1 Bitcoin deposited to the fixed deposit creates 1.5 Bitcoin worth of assets in the Bitcoin economy. 0.5 Bitcoin is lent out to borrowers and 1 deposited Bitcoin token is also released to the Bitcoin economy. The price of deposited Bitcoin token will fluctuate based on the market's expectation of economic activities on-chain, which directly affects the yield generated by the liquidity pool and res-taking tokens in the collateral basket. Hence the yield earned by deposited Bitcoin token holders. With that, we have a decentralized, permissionless monetary system that expands the use case of Bitcoin as a global immutable currency for the people.
Now, not only this, guys, if you hold ICP in the NNS, you guys have the right to vote. Remember that. Make sure you're voting on proposals. Read through them. But they have a proposal now, proposal 129435, to upgrade the NNS DApp. And it's now open for voting. So if you wanted to go and open it, you just go into the NNS, you click vote in here, click ICP, and you can see you got 1 day, 18 hours remaining for the NNS canister upgrade. Go and vote on that now. And before we get into the chart, guys, look what ICP Shark posted today. They reckon that there's a major move incoming. ICP previously showed us an AMD concept, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, on the charts, and this caused a huge move to $21. We can now see another AMD concept forming. He reckons we think we'll go to $31. Not financial advice. Let's go check out our trading view. Now, for all of you guys who were here in the last video, you will remember that we had a new area of interest. And I said to you guys, we'll be picking up more Bitcoin, more Ethereum, and more alts at around 63k. And that was a couple of days ago. Guys, we absolutely wicked off that bottom level. It looks like a lot of people have the same idea. We expected and rejected. We've come down to the new area of interest. Will we have one more test of the supply before we come back down to the top-up zone? I've got orders at 61k, okay? I've got buy orders down there. Does it mean it has to get filled? No. But if I was asleep here, okay, if I was asleep in this area, I would be pissed that I missed it because we prepared for it. Now, we need to set buy orders. I'm going to say it in every video. Set buy orders. Have your sell orders for the future as well if you want to set that up now. But we must take action at these areas, guys, because they're not going to last. As much as, like, let me remind you how everybody was feeling when we were at 25k. All right, guys. Now, I don't know how many of you guys were here in this time. I know a lot of you guys you've been here for years, okay? But there's a lot of newbies that come into crypto at this point and that are new to the channel as well. But guys, everyone who was in here, I remember there were so many narratives saying Bitcoin is going to 10k. Sell your alts, they're gonna print new lows, okay? Going to 10k, did it happen? No. Going to 10k, we were definitely going to 10k, guys. No. Actually, we're going to have a double bottom at 15. No, didn't come. So a lot of the time when we're in these bullish trends, the hopium is coming from expecting downside, okay? And people, they love to long when we've already been going up. They love to short when we've been going down, guys. We've been going down, the shorts will stack up, okay? And once all of those shorts get liquidated, it's going to be a mega stupid, insane big bulls pump. It's just going to happen. A lot of people, they get fearful. They don't want to buy in because they're saying, you know, it's greed, guys. People want to get as much crypto as they can. They want to max out their crypto bags, max out their holdings. They want to buy the absolute bottom, sell at the absolute top. I'm here to remind you that that's not possible, okay? Some of us are going to get super lucky selling at the exact top. The majority of us, we're not going to sell the top. We're going to have DCA'd out before that. Some people are going to be bag holders. It's just how it is. I don't want any of you guys to be bag holders, okay? So again, we're not being fearful at this stage of the market. We're not going to say, yeah, we're going to 40k. We're expecting 50k. If it comes, we take action. No worries. We always keep money to the side. But don't be relying on putting your whole life savings into the next flash crash because it may not come. Now, ICP doing its thing. It's doing its thing. I mean, we've been accumulating for 5 months now, guys, okay? It is what it is. No problem. I'm so happy we've been accumulating for 5 months because it means that I've been able to buy as much ICP as possible. We're in the blessing zone. Hopefully we get rejected from this buy zone too. But if Bitcoin dominance wants to fall, alts want to start to have a little mini relief rally in this time, then yeah, I mean, we could start to break out and we could start to retest buy zone 1, maybe max up to $20 in the short term. But for now, we're in the blessing zone. I continue to accumulate, and I'm so sorry that you click on these videos and I'm telling you guys the same thing every day, but some of you need to hear it. Some of you, you're still not taking action. Please take action. If you have taken action, let me know in the comments and let everybody else know in the comments that they're behind, okay? Because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. If you are super bullish on ICP, if you know what they're building, you know the tech, you know that they're the best tech in crypto, and you know that global adoption is coming as well, why would you not be buying at $13? If we have a minimum target of $150, why are you not buying now? It's 10x away, not financial advice. So that's it. It's just a quick one on ICP for all of you lovely people today. Let me know how you are feeling about the current market dip. If you don't want to miss any more content, make sure you've paused the video, smash that like button, drop me a sub, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace, gang.